is correct.
I find your lack of faith disturbing. I want to know what happened to the plans they sent you.
Perhaps you think you're being treated unfairly? I am altering the deal. Pray I don't alter it any further.
You are part of the Rebel Alliance and a traitor.
Join me, and together we can rule the galaxy as father and son. The Emperor does not share your optimistic appraisal of the situation. You don't know the power of the dark side. Yes. No.
What?
Good.
As you wish. I have you now.
No! That's it. No, Captain. So, you have accepted the truth.
And now, Your Highness, we will discuss the location of your hidden rebel base. Don't be too proud of this technological terror you've constructed. Don't underestimate the Force. Your powers are weak, old man.
You have failed me for the last time, Admiral. What is thy bidding, my master? No disintegrations. Apology accepted. Don't fail me again.
The Force is strong with this one.
We would be honored if you would join us. He's all yours, bounty hunter. The Force is with you, young Skywalker. But you are not a Jedi yet. Impressive. Most impressive. Don't make me destroy you. If you only knew the power of the dark side, it is your destiny. Good work. Sister.